Welcome back to RunmanReCords design. Today we show you concrete patio ideas. When it comes to creating an outdoor space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, concrete patios offer a versatile and durable solution. In this video, we will explore a variety of concrete patio ideas to help you design the perfect outdoor retreat. From the basics of what a concrete patio is and its benefits, to design considerations, decorative enhancements, and maintenance tips, this guide will provide you with all the inspiration and information you need to transform your outdoor space with a stylish and long-lasting concrete patio. Benefits of choosing concrete for your patio. Concrete may not sound sexy, but it's a practical choice for a patio. It's durable, low maintenance, and can be jazzed up in countless ways. Plus, it's a blank canvas for your outdoor design dreams. Color and finish options for concrete patios. Concrete doesn't have to be gray and boring. You can choose from a rainbow of colors and finishes to match your style. Enhancing your concrete patio with decorative elements. Stamped concrete designs. Give your patio some glitter with stamped concrete designs. From fox stone to whimsical patterns, there is no limit to the look you can achieve. Maintenance tips for long-lasting concrete patios. So, you got yourself a swanky concrete patio. Now it's time to keep it looking sharp. Here are some maintenance tips to ensure the outdoor oasis stays in top-notch condition. Regular cleaning and sweeping. Think of your concrete patio like a well-lowered dance floor. It needs regular sweeping to keep the party going. Leaves, dirt, and debris can pile up and cause staining over time. A simple broom or leaf blower will do the trick to keep things spick and span. For towel stains, a gentle scrub with a brush and soapy water can work wonders. Repairing cracks and damage. Even the sturdiest concrete patios can sometimes show signs of wear and tear. If you spot cracks or damage, don't fret, these can be fixed with a little TLC. Fill in cracks with a concrete repair kit, smooth it out, and let it dry. For more significant damage, calling in a professional might be the way to go to ensure your patio stays in tip-top shape. In conclusion, concrete patios are a fantastic choice for enhancing the outdoor living area. With the right design, decorative elements, and maintenance practices, your concrete patio can become a focal point of your home, providing a beautiful and personal space for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying the outdoors. Embrace the versatility and durability of concrete to create a patio that you can enjoy for years to come. Thanks for watching, friends. I hope these concrete patio ideas will be very useful for you. You watched the channel about landscape design and backyard design. RunmanReCords Design.